In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload any files on Mega. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to mega.nc. From here, once you get inside, you'll need to log into your account. And once you get inside of the dashboard, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to go over to the cloud drive over here. Once you get over to that, you'll see the upload button over here. Once you click that, you will simply be asked if Mega wants to access your services on your device, and you'll just need to click allow. From here, you can click upload a file, upload a folder, or import from a link like Dropbox or OneDrive. From here, you'll just need to click upload a file, and then from here, you'll need to find a specific file that you want to upload onto your Mega account. From here, you'll just need to click on it, click open, and then from here, you'll be seeing your account inside of your cloud drive down here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!